Hey, what's up guys, your boy 82. Welcome to the Big Tiny Tech. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe. Alright, today we're going to do a quick tutorial. Everyone's been asking about the one and only MileSight 60U65 UG65. Everyone wants been asking about doing a tutorial on configuring it with the Ethernet cord. So today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on doing it with the Ethernet. Alright. First, please, I recommend that you have either using a PC or a desktop or a laptop that has both the wireless and the Ethernet together, because you're gonna need the Ethernet. You need a connection to the internet while you're using the other wire, the Ethernet, connected to the router. Okay. So you need the wireless to be on with the internet and the Ethernet connected to the miner. Alright. This way you can be able to do the update and also to register, to onboard it. It's very, very important. Alright. First step, we're gonna set let's do this. We'll go to our Wi-Fi settings, Ethernet, then we click on edit, select manual, PV4. The address that we're going to use is 192.168.1.200. Correction, I'm wrong. 192.168.23.200. Your subnet will always be 24, and your gateway will be 192.168.23.1, and DNS is T.D8. Save. We'll close this out. After that's done, we're now type in the URL in order to get into the miner. That would be 192.168.23.150. Once you get to the MileSight screen, you will type in admin password. That's your default. Okay, so once we click on network, we're going to go to interface, click on WLAN, and make sure the work mode is selected as client, and save. Then go over to link failover. You're going to click on WAN failover. Once you click on that, on the tab for main interface, click the drop down, select Ethernet 0, and click save. And make sure that the backup interface, make sure that they both are not ETH0 and ETH0. If not, you won't be able to save it. Make sure you select WLAN as your backup, which means is that your Ethernet is the primary, and then in case when you don't have the Ethernet, if the Ethernet is not plugged in or somehow stop working, it switches over to the Wi-Fi, which is the WLAN. Click save. On top, you're going to click on apply. Alright, click on apply. Once that's done, Now you get to the onboarding part of it. You click on the QR code for onboarding on top. This will generate the QR code, and make sure that you downloaded the Helium app first. You download the Helium app, and then you've created your wallet, so you can now be able to cut and paste the wallet address onto this bar. Once you do that, you click on generate, and then now we'll generate and start the process of the onboarding, and you're done. I've already onboarded this machine already, so I can't do it, but you get the drift. Copy and paste your wallet address into this box and click on generate. The rest is history. Alright guys, stress less, think positive. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share. Any questions, please comment in the comment section, and then I'll be glad to help you. And all those other the community is growing, they'll also help you. Alright, stress less, think positive. Peace.